talk about the buffing wheels. There are basically two different types of buffing wheels. They're both made of 100% cotton and are spiral-sewn, which adds firmness without sacrificing flexibility in cutting action. Both of these wheels, they come with a 1/2-inch arbor hole, and it's leather lined to withstand wear and tear. They can be mounted on any 1/2-inch arbor machine. They're great for bench grinders and buffing machines. Now the main difference between these two buffing wheels is the firmness. For example, the yellow wheels are designed to be a lot more firmer and denser than the white wheels. They're great for those initial buffing stages of the first and second cut. They're stacked in 55 plies and are about 7/8 thickness. Now the white wheels are engineered to be super soft and fluffy. Now these white wheels are a lot more flexible than the yellow wheels, and they're perfect for those final touches and getting that mirror shine. The white wheels are stacked in 70 plies, which yields a little bit more than an inch in thickness, which is a perfect thickness for the final stages of buffing. Thank you for watching, and check out the details in the description.